This is my door. That's how it looks like. This is a door to the plumbing, and it looks terrifying when you look behind it, so I'm just gonna shut it now. This is what controls the heating and cooling. It looks ancient, but this is considered a luxury compared to what I'm used to back at home. Now we're gonna just open the bedroom door now, and there's a bed. This may not look much, but this is like the comfiest bed I've ever slept in my entire life. Right here is just a phone charger, a blanket, and another blanket. I wanted to show you guys this, but underneath this blanket is actually another blanket that I knitted for my boyfriend for his birthday like a long time ago. It took me like a whole month knitting it non-stop. It's actually a pretty decent sized blanket. It's probably one of the biggest things I've ever knitted in my life. I remember knitting it every chance I could just so I could get it there on time for his birthday. I remember being the biggest noob at knitting that I didn't even know how much yarn I needed, so I basically went to the store almost every week for a whole month to buy 4 rolls of yarn at a time. Just the yarn itself probably cost me around $200, so if anyone ever doubts my love, they can just look at this blanket. On a less crazier note, here are my cute lights I got from Target. They were on sale and they were meant to be patio lights, but I realized I'll never go outside, so I brought them here where I can actually appreciate them better, and it works out since it's one of my favoriteest things I own now. In the corner of the room there's a door that's not even a closet, but for whatever reason someone decided they wanted to have the HVAC here. Here's a side table I got from IKEA and a lamp that I got from Walmart. It was unexpectedly short, so it became a side table lamp. This really adorable white wood wall decor thing that they sell everywhere at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. The other side of the room are my 2 closets and a drawer. I actually bought this drawer through Craigslist, and for whatever reason the ad had a photo of a white drawer, and I showed up and they gave me a gray one, which works out since all my light furniture looks a little dull now.